Are you going through a hard time? Are you stuck? Are you in this negative energy, or maybe this, bad karma that you've been experiencing in your life right now? Is it bothering your head? Is it messing with you? Well, listen, check this out. This is something that is all within our own head. It's something that we have to control by believing in ourselves, having that faith, having a charisma, having a drive, having a belief, having, this personal desire inside to make a difference, not only in your life, maybe your children's lives, maybe your family's life, maybe being a first millionaire in your family, maybe being a first high school dropout millionaire in your family. Imagine, matter of fact, I want to be, basically. I already am. But anyways, that's neither here nor there, but I'll get into my story. But what my story is to do is to be able to inspire you to find that most internal drive that's within you. What is it? Have you been digging for it? Are you trying to find it? Well, I can tell you this. I'm 46 years old. I ran many companies. I'm looking to do this new motivational business and inspire people because that's what I love the most. And that is my internal drive. But it took me 46 years. I've known it all my life, but it just took me just now to say, okay, it's my time. And then realize that I don't give a shit if you like what I'm saying or don't like what I'm saying. The most important thing I care about is deliver my message. Because if my message helps people out there, then that's what I'm supposed to do. My message from starting your own business, my message from overcoming divorces. I was married 23 years and just got a divorce with 2 children. If you need to learn something about how partners steal from you, I've had partners steal millions of dollars from me. If you're looking, if you want to learn about how to do, build a company, build your dreams, build your goals, have that vision, find that drive and push yourself, then I'm going to be the man that helps you do that, because it's all driven with inside. And by the way, I am driving, but it's okay. I connect. I connect with my spirits. I connect with my God. I connect with the universe. I connect when I hit my moment. And this is what I'm doing now. And when I do this is when I come out, and just basically help people as much as I want. What can I do to help people? And I'm asking you to follow my channel, inspire me, because this is something new for me, but I guarantee you I'm going to help you. I will help you as much as I can. So let's talk about the drive that's within inside of you, the same drive I'm trying to find, the same vision that I have. So let's set goals. You have to set your goals. Put these goals in front of you. Look at them every single day. If you fail to plan, you plan to fail. It's that simple. It's a fact. And failure, in my opinion, is not an option, but it's going to happen. It's going to happen in life. But if you don't have your goals in front of you, you're already, failing to plan and planning to fail. You got to have a vision. You have to have a dream. What is your dream? What is your vision? Why are you wanting to do what you want to do? Is it so you don't have to work 60 to 100 hours a week at your job? Is it because you want more money? Is it because you want to travel more? Is it because you want to build a legacy, a brand, a name, something, that you can leave back with your children? That you want to be financially free. You want to pay off the credit card. You only want to, you want to make just some extra money every week. You want to make some extra money every month. You want to make some, I just need an extra $100, $500, $1,000 a week. How much extra do you need? There's a way for you to accomplish your goals. You just got to set these goals. You got to have a vision. You got to internally manifest these goals within you and have that internal manifestation. And we're going to get into that in different videos when I bring on my partner, Christina, my girlfriend, Christina. So she's going to come in and talk about that. And I'm going to help with that as well, because I manifest everything I want in life. But so how are you going to manifest? Well, there's many different methodologies, ideas, and I guess, choices out there. One of them being a 369 Nikola theory test, Tesla theory, which is great because you're programming your mind to believe in that positive direction. You're programming your mind to believe that you can accomplish what you want to accomplish. because you can do whatever you want to do, but you have to trick your subconscious mind from all your past trauma, your past fear, any negative comments you've been told, anything, any bullshit that's happened in this earth, the news you watch, the people you talk to, the people you encounter in life, taking all that negative, it could have been something that happened when you're a kid, something when, it happened in your marriage, it could happen because of your kids, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your aunts, your uncles, friends, neighbors. It doesn't matter. Something there is subconsciously preventing you from doing your goals and your dreams and your visions and your destiny, your final destiny. In my life, not final destiny, ultimate destiny, and etc. So here's what I encourage you to do. I encourage you to, I got a call coming in, so I apologize. I encourage you to take any of your goals, write them down, and then go onto the internet, find your most favorite house that you want, the one you want the most, the house that you see, your dream home, and take a picture, print it, or cut it out of a magazine, hang it on your mirror, hang anything you want on your mirror. You want to buy your girlfriend or your partner a wedding ring, hang it on the mirror, the one you want to buy. You want to be debt free, hang it on the mirror that you have no debt. You want $100,000 a month in income, hang it on the mirror, you want that. Show yourself every day that you have those goals and visions. Here's what's going to happen. You're not going to lie to yourself. If you're going to see this every single day, it's now going to be programmed into your mind subconsciously. This is what you're doing. Now what you're doing is you're ultimately manifesting this in your 4D, 3D, 4D reality, your subconscious reality. Within a universe, the power of the universe, the energies and atoms and molecules that we are, you're manifesting this within your energy level, your frequency level. So now that you're manifesting this, your drive is going to spark. You're going to start feeling that shit inside. You're going to feel it. You're going to be like, oh my God, what am I feeling? You're going to feel this stuff inside. It's going to burn. It's going to ache. It's going to pour out. It really will. And then what you do now at that point is now you start setting up your, there's many different words to say this. My buddy Kevin the other day told me CPR. There's many different words. I'm going to say your forecast. You're going to start setting up your layout, your plan of action. There's many people, I call it a different way, but it's your plan of action. You're going to say, okay, in order for me to accomplish this, I got to do this. I got to do X, Y, and Z. In order for me to achieve this or even get to this, I got to talk to X, Y, Z. I got to do X, Y, Z. You have to have a plan. But once you manifest your goals within your vision, your reality, and within your own world, then you're going to create that plan of action because you're not going to let yourself down. Listen, it doesn't matter what kind of schooling you have. It doesn't matter if you've been criminally, in trouble with the law. It doesn't matter if you dropped out of school. It doesn't matter if, I think I might have said that. It doesn't matter if you have failed at everything you have failed at. It doesn't freaking matter. What matters is what you want to become and what you want to do. And when is it your time? It's right now. The universe is calling for you, so make it happen. If you're watching this whole video through, like and send me a comment, please. Tell me what you're experiencing. Tell me what you're going through. Let me try to connect with you on a level of I can't even explain it to you. Even if I tried, I couldn't explain it to you. So just try me. Leave a comment, try me, and I'll talk with you. And you're never going to find anybody more real and more true as me. I'm going to speak from my heart and my soul. I'm going to tell you what I believe and what I feel. And I promise you, I made a lot of billionaires, and I'm going to be the next one. I've been spending my life making other billionaires, but now it's my time. And I don't even care about the money. But the billionaire factor is going to, only in my mind, allows me to give back more. So that's what my goal is. The more I make, the more I give back. That's what I do in business, and I've been doing that since day one. Well, now it's time for me to give back myself. My knowledge, my experiences, my life, my challenges that I've overcame, how I went from homeless to running multi-million-dollar companies, how how I have freedom. I've been basically semi-retired since I was 23 years old. And I'm not saying this to brag, I'm saying this to inspire, because if my high school dropout dumbass can do it, so can you. You'll hear my stories. I have a lot of them. But I'm passionate. I have compassion, and this is probably the end of the video. Like, comment, share, and send me a comment on what you're experiencing. Thank you for listening.